Hi, I'm really hoping you can help me find a new career. Give me your phone. Say hello to my friend, Indeed Career Scout. Career Scout is Indeed's new career coach. From interview prep to resume work to searching for a new career, it streamlines every step of your job search journey. Because Indeed Career Scout is built with AI, it's intelligent and it's fast. But the best part? But I already use Indeed. Career Scout acts as your personal career coach. Let me explain. As I was saying, the best part? It's not just about speed, it's about relevancy and grounding your search in the skills and interests you already have. That's why Career Scout asks you questions. What do you want out of your next career? Which of these skills do you think is the most important? Then, it uses your responses to shape and filter the results. In other words, Career Scout matches you with career paths that you, not everybody out there on the internet, but you will be interested in. This really is an amazing hack. Do you know anyone who has used Career Scout? Do I? Hey, hacker, what's up? I'm here with a new client. You use Career Scout? Tell us everything. I needed a job to help pay for school. I'm studying to be a project manager. And hacker mentioned Career Scout. And yeah, it got me thinking about careers that align with my preferences. Preferences are crucial. I needed a flexible part-time job. I mentioned I had experience working in a warehouse and I didn't want to be behind a desk or doing customer service. Career Scout actually listened. When it suggested commercial truck driver, something clicked. That clicking sound happens when Career Scout takes 4 things into account: your earning potential, your desired career trajectory, your skills, and your interests. The more you use Career Scout, the more it gets to know you, which means the recommendations just get better and better. Heavy trucking is an admirable career with lots of opportunities, but I'm in a completely different boat. I have a bachelor's degree in health science. Don't tell me, tell Career Scout, okay? I want a career change. I have a bachelor's in health science. I take vitals, and I support med search teams. I'm Ivy certified and trained in infection control, but I want more consistent hours, and I don't want to work in a hospital. Career Scout takes your interests, asks you questions, and queues up super short career quizzes. And then, the results. Different career paths that align with your interests and skills. Each career path has an overview that covers fit, earning potential, and career trajectories. Each career path lists the relevant skills you already have, and it shows the skills you're going to need, along with personalized recommendations on how to get them. And when you find a match, the career path can also create a step-by-step plan based on your goals and timeline. Looks like I've got a lot of transferable skills. I didn't even know being a case manager was an option. Sounds like you're on the right path. Anything else? You guys want to hang sometime? You like skee ball? Ooh, I love skee ball. Career Scout helps you find new career options faster and better than a traditional job search. If you want to change, if you're just starting out, or if you have to pivot, don't do it alone. Use Career Scout. It's ready when you are.